Hi everybody, so this is the paid version of the MobileMoxie SERPerator, and we're in data view. So testing view just lets you do a bunch of different tests for mobile SERPs, as many as you want. This gives you more long-term view. So you can set up keywords, you put the phone language, and then you can set them up for global or local intent. So these are all set up for local intent because we're dealing with a hypothetical food delivery app company, and so we have a global kind of company with local intent. So what we've done over here is we've got a bunch of addresses that we put in here to test these keywords at, and so with each keyword you can test them at all of the locations if you want, and then you just click into the location to get the results down below to change. So for instance, we're testing food delivery. If we want to test it in Ridgecrest, California, we just click that, and you can see this map has moved over to Ridgecrest, California. We've got a variety of pins. We do the address at the central pin, and then we do 2 radiuses out of 10 miles each, and we've got a historical test result for the SERPs from this location and all of the pins. So we can change the pin and get the results from that location. See, you scroll sideways and you get history, and then we've got the live view down here. So you can scroll up and down. This is interactive, so you can click to get those kinds of things. Click into here. All of this works just like a regular phone. The back button is down here. And yeah, you can see this result has top stories. People also ask. We've got down here related searches, discover more places. So that's all cool. Over here we've got integrated search console data. So you can pull in for that keyword in that country. What are the changes? What's going on? And this is mobile and desktop. And then we can go up here and hit full screen view. I know those phones are little, but you can get a bigger view over here. And this shows you what the SERP looks like, and it's scrollable as well. So you can see in general, how did the map pack change over time? Are there paid things in there? Are things listed as closed or open? Stuff like that. You can see how high things are. So this is always going to scroll at the same level. So for instance, in this is an important change where for a week, or no, a day, looks like, yep, 1 day, the app pack was displacing this iOS result for DoorDash, and then here it changed from DoorDash to Grubhub, and that seems important. And then, so this is all iOS. You can see that by that, or you can just tell by the phone shell. If we wanted to test Android, just click over to Android. Scroll down, you're going to see different ads for iOS and Android. This is what the map pack looks like, and you can see we've got Google Play results here, and that app pack doesn't come in like it does, but if people also ask, shows up here. So that's a good way of knowing what are you up against in a search result, what might be taking attention away. For instance, this image, this is a really big deal. So Postmates is getting the image in there, and then if people also ask right below it, that could be taking a lot of clicks. And then here, the people also ask is above Postmates. Postmates is lower, and we can see the app pack appears here, disappears here, comes back here. So that is what you get when you pay for the paid version of MobileMoxie tools, and that's a demo of the SERPerator. I think that's a lot of information for 30 bucks a month. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. To be notified about future videos, click the logo. And to try the MobileMoxie Mobile SEO Toolset, use the promo code YouTube to get 30 days free. They're mobile-first SEO tools for a mobile-first world.